Doing a quick video on how to repair the Aerogarden LED hood. My hood powered up, all the LEDs powered up, but they were strobing. What you do is you remove the screws, take off the first panel, take off the LED panel. There's a white piece of plastic, there's an insulator, unscrew that, into the top. You'll have a heatsink right here. Unsolder the heatsink and unscrew it, and you'll have three capacitors, 25 volts at 1500 microfarad. Those are the bad components that went bad. These are the new ones I just replaced, and here are the old ones. You can usually tell with the caps they either have bursted or the tops. You see how they're bulging. All three of them were bulging, and I tested them and they have failed. So, put it all back together. We'll plug it in real quick and show you that it's working. Get the power. Should be on. There we go. The unit's fixed. So now I have to solder back in the heatsink, reassemble it, and we're good to go. And be careful of the voltage, because this is the line current 110 coming in. So make sure everything's unplugged, and take safety precautions, and that should be it. Any questions? Feel free to give me a line.